In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in Figma. We'll walk through downloading the Figma font installer for Windows, grabbing free fonts from the web, and making sure those fonts show up inside Figma so you can start designing right away. First, open your web browser and head over to the Figma website. Look for the section where Figma provides its font installer. You'll see an option labeled Windows Installer. Click that to start the download. This installer is what allows Figma, especially in the browser, to access the fonts you install on your computer. Once the download finishes, open the file, run the installer, and follow the prompts that appear on your screen. You may be asked to allow the app to make changes. Go ahead and confirm so it can complete the setup. The installation is quick, and you don't need to change any advanced options. When it's done, the font helper will quietly run in the background. Next, it's time to get some fonts. Open Google and search for non-copyright fonts or free fonts. You're looking for fonts that are free to use. Be sure to glance at the license on the download page to confirm it fits your needs. When you find a font you like, click the download button and follow the prompts on your screen. Many fonts come as a zip file. If you get a zip, open it to see the font files inside, usually .ttf or .otf. Double-click the font file to open it, then click Install. If you prefer, you can right-click the file and choose Install. Repeat this for any fonts you want to add. Now switch back to Figma. Open a file, select a text layer, and open the font picker. If you've just installed the fonts, click the refresh option in the font list so Figma can pick up the new additions. Give it a moment if needed. Sometimes it takes a few seconds for newly installed fonts to appear. Once refreshed, search for the font by name, select it, and you're ready to use it in your design. That's all there is to it. You installed the Figma font helper for Windows, downloaded free fonts from the web, installed them on your computer, and refreshed Figma to make them available. If a font doesn't appear right away, simply refresh again after a moment and try selecting it. With this setup in place, you can expand your typography options and keep your designs consistent with your brand or project style.